morning, everybody. I know it's a little dark. I don't know, must be 7:30 or something like that. And can you see that's Tippy, and over there's Pippi. There's Tia, and there's Jack. And I'm having a cuppa. Joe.
5 years have passed. It's fair to say a lot has changed. I'm buying antique furniture from all across the UK and into Europe. Let's keep it interesting, so I don't
know what we're going to do today. I think we're going to be over. Maybe we're going to dig a trench over at the horse place. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, I'm just kind of tucked to my corner here, and they just come climb on top of me. Right? If you own dogs, you understand. Right? Be kind to your dogs. Be kind to your pets. I always say that. Be kind to your pets because you're their whole world, right? Okay, you guys have a great day. Reach out to a friend. Oh, let me try not to shake this so much. Reach out to a friend. What do you got? What do you got going? Hello. You woke up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You are such a big girl. Be kind to your pets. Reach out to a friend. If you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, make a comment. I hope you like my French onion soup. Geez, that was good. And I did make some turkey meatballs. So me and Lisa had a wonderful dinner. Mitch ate a lot of the soup. Morning, everybody. Beautiful day in the hood. I love the weatherman. Weatherman's just always spot on. You see, you know, you could set your watch by him, as long as it's a broken watch. Okay, yeah, not gonna rain until 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. Coming down this morning. Anyways, look at that. Nice trench I'm digging out there. There's a big, I don't know if you can see it. You see the marshmallow? Yeah, big riding arena in there. We're just cleaning up the back here, take the water away. It kind of gets, I'm kind of wondering, you know, all the years and everything like that, I think it sinks a little bit. I think the land sinks a bit. You know, if you don't upkeep it, then it's pretty hard. Anyway, this trench, not going to take me long. I can't handle being in a machine that long. Physically, I can't do it. Great little dogs. Did I ever tell you the story about the gloves? They're everywhere. Look at them. They're down on the floor. They're out in the back. I bought 144 pair. Is that right? 144 pair? Yeah, 12 dozen. And now I'm down to my last 15 pairs or so. So I gotta use them until they're really broken. Okay, you guys, reach out to somebody. Have a nice afternoon. Have a nice day. It's only 9:30, man. Nice trench I'm digging. Look at a nice trench. I gotta go out there to the slough. There's a slough out there, right in front there. There's the road, which is right here, and we're gonna redo this ditch. That's a flooding problem. Okay, little update. Look at this, you know. Digging the trench. We're kind of out to the slough now. And look who come to visit, eh? No, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Hi, sweeties. Hello. Nobody gonna get hurt? What are you guys doing? Look at that, eh? Okay, jump, jump. Oh, there goes my trench all filled in. See, this is what goes on, right? They just got fed, so they're curious, right? We're probably smelling all sorts of neat stuff. Okay, isn't that cool, you guys? Look at this one right in the trench. Okay, I wandered into the studio instead of going back in the house. Made myself a nice cup of coffee. And I forgot how nice it was to be out in the studio this time of the morning. It's quiet. Dogs are playing in the yard.
why that's good.
Okay, so maybe what I'll do for this video is a pin came to me, and one of the posts is broken off the back, and so we're going to do a little repair to it. So what do I need? Jack, you okay, buddy? Hi, bud. Hi, bud. What's going on? Go look at me. Look at me. Oh, there you go. Look at me. Let's get. Oh no, he took off. He's something. He's looking for somebody, or. Work glasses. 2s and 4.5s, so I can see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay, so we want something to hold the pin down, right? So these things are great. Oh, you hold that. Sometimes things don't go as smoothly as you like, but don't panic. Okay, put a little bit more of this on there. Put some of that on these pins, the new pins, because I'm going to take them all off. But take them all off and do them, right? It won't hurt, okay? Okay, so I got it held down, and I got 3 new pins here, and some, yeah, that's a 7. Look at that. I wonder what time it is. 7? Oh, that's not bad. Okay, so get a nice pair of tweezers. Okay, so you see how we warm this puppy right up. All right, okay, look at that. Look at that, gone. 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 Okay, so now you use a pair of self-closing tweezers, because it just makes life a little bit simpler for you. A little bit of solder on there. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. All right. This one. Okay, look at that. And it's just better that way. I haven't changed up where the holes are or anything like that, but you got 3 new pins up. So that's nice. Now we just can throw that. We'll get the copper tongs and put that in the pickle. There we go. Nice. And that's water. Okay, pickle in the water. Well, that looks nice. Okay, so that's the soldering pins, soldering the pickle. the morning. That's the house coat. That's a nice pin. That's an enamel pin. That's beautiful. Well, now my dogs are doing. Well, there's Jack. Yeah, that's nice. Sometimes the pins, because of the way the surface is, they're not exactly straight. Make them look perfect, right? And if you say to yourself, oh, if I start bending them, the pins are going to break. Oh, no. If the pin breaks off when you're bending it, you're doing a shitty job. Okay? Because if you don't think they're forcing these things on and bending them and shit like that to get them to where they want, and then snipping them off with pliers, they're gonna. So if you think it's a weak link, now, fix it. If not, you know, you have to be happy with your work. Okay, you guys. I'm looking at it too long, and you're probably wondering what the hell I'm doing. So anyways, you guys, have a great morning. Try to do something you like. Today I'm gonna do maybe a video on my Instagram, and for Speedy's memorial, that's gonna be quite the event today. That's gonna be something else.